Hi everybody, this is Raymond Navarro with East End Assemblies. Recently we've purchased some new equipment. Very exciting using this stuff to advance our ability and our capabilities and really improve on our quality. We recently purchased the VJ Electronix X-ray part counter. This machine will count the components you have on the reels and the ICs you have in the tubes. It is capable of counting up to 4 reels at once. So let's say you have a reel of resistors that has 10,000 parts on it. It can count that reel in less than 10 seconds. So if you had 4 reels with 10,000 parts each, it could count 40,000 parts in less than 10 seconds. Also, the X-ray part counter smoothly integrates into your inventory system, and this saves you a tremendous amount of time. This is the Keyonce digital microscope. It is fully motorized and supports a wide range of imaging and analysis. The camera has the capability to tilt to 90 degrees in either direction. It can see under BGAs and can go up to 200 degrees of magnification. This ability to look at defective solder connections is unbelievable, and it's going to be a big help for us. We also purchased the dual batch automatic Aqueous cleaning system. It has built-in monitoring technology, making it easy to program your desired resistivity level. Each chamber has 2 racks, which are capable of fitting up to 100 boards on each one that are 4 by 6 inches. So basically giving you the ability to clean 400 boards at once. The cleanliness level on these boards is unbelievable. We also purchased the Aqueous ultrasonic stencil cleaning system. The stencil washer uses ultrasonic sound waves. The stencil cleaner safely and effectively removes solder paste and uncured adhesives from stencil screens and misprints. The dual batch cleaning system uses a DI water recycler, supporting East End's commitment to reducing its environmental imprint.